PSHT Pusat Madiun.
PSYT Pusat Madiun.
Madiun kampung pesilat, kota terlahirnya para jawara pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, pusat terbesar yang ada di dunia pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, cepat berkembang pesatnya olahraga pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, di sini tempat para pemberani bukan penjilat.
Where you come from?
I am from Saudi Arabia and this is my friend from Oman. It's a country near of us. All of us in Middle East. مو Middle East إلا Middle East.
Middle East.
Do you know pencak silat?
Bancak Silat, it's in Indonesia.
Wait,
I listen about it.
Indonesia. Welcome, brother. Welcome.
Pencak silat is traditional martial art from Indonesia.
Nice.
English is not fine.
Me too. I don't know how to speak English also.
Mongo in Indonesia is.
You know how to. You know how to.
I follow you. I follow you. Do you want? I follow you.
I follow you too.
Yes.
Yes, me too. I follow you.
What do you want? You want to challenge? You want to?
I want to be a friend and play always. Huh?
Mongo.
Mongo. Let's play.
Fala. I know.
I love you too.
I know. I want to say, but
Okay.
I don't.
You don't know what is the word.
Yes.
Yes. You don't know what is the word. But انت زعلان. خذ لك سنيكر. باين اني زعلان يا ريان.
Tak ajari bahasa Indonesia. Do you
Do you love Indonesia? Yes, of course. Like this. See?
What?
Like this.
What do you know from Indonesia?
I know that the people there are friendly.
Friendly. PSHT Pusat Madiun.
PCHT Pusat Madiun.
PSHT Pusat Madiun.
PSYT Pusat Madiun.
PSHT Pusat Madiun.
PSYT
Pusat Madiun.
Pusat Madiun.
Yes.
PHYT
Pusat Madiun.
Pusat Madiun.
Los gak rewel.
حبيبي.
Los gak rewel.
Gak revel.
Rewel.
Madiun kampung pesilat, kota terlahirnya para jawara pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, pusat terbesar yang ada di dunia pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, cepat berkembang pesatnya olahraga pencak silat. Madiun kampung pesilat, di sini tempat para pemberani bukan penjilat.